Mr. Wozniak, are you ready?
The only one, I do need a city attorney for Santino Wright. And I don't think I've talked to Carlos Williams yet.
No, I don't have an offer for him. We only brought out the ones that you spoke with, Mr. Wozniak.
Why do you need to talk to the attorney about Mr. Wright?
The reason is he has all his proper paperwork, and I'm thinking with that they might consider dismissing.
Let me see. Let's see how they feel about that second count. Okay. All right, let's go try and get him out of here, but Mr. Charles Wright, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah.
What? No, we were just staring.
No, I'm just looking.
Oh, okay, you're good then, all right.
Okay. If you need me to, I will.
No.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of the people versus Charles Wright. This is ticket number P 1080901, one count loitering. Also calling ticket number P 1080901. Oh, same ticket loitering.
Yeah.
Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozniak. My bar number is P35225 on behalf of the defendant who is present via Zoom.
Mr. Wright, Mr. Charles Wright, can you please state your name for the record?
Charles Wright.
Your Honor, after our discussion, Mr. Wright would like this matter set up for trial date. Bench trial is sufficient. He'll waive jury.
Mr. Wright, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Mr. Wright, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
He's informing me that you want to select to have a bench trial. That's a trial that we heard before myself, the trier of the facts that I hear. I will determine whether or not I believe that the elements of the crime are proven. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on January the 24th, 2022 at 9 a.m. It is going to be a Zoom trial. So what you have to do is sign back in the same way you signed in today at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay. You said January 24th?
January the 24th at 9 a.m. I will be mindful that I will be ready and dressed and prepared for court that day as well. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And if there's nothing further, that concludes the hearing for today, okay?
All right.
All right, there. You can sign up, okay? Harlan Wallace?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Harlan Wallace. This is ticket number U433033708. One count of narcotics and drug-related violations. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Daniel Wozniak on behalf of the defendant.
Can you please state your name for the record, sir?
Harlan Wallace.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the city is recommending dismissal. I join in that recommendation and stipulate to probable cause.
At this time, I do have the recommendation that there is a dismissal without prejudice because of the age of the ticket. Let me tell you, Mr. Wallace, I really dislike dismissing tickets because of the age, because I feel like you can get away with, just not showing back up to court. But that's it. Don't do that. When you get something, come to the court, and we'll try and handle it the best way that we can resolve it, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, but today I'm going to dismiss it without prejudice per the recommendation, okay? So you're all set, Mr. Wallace. You have a good day, okay?
Thank you. You do the same.
You're welcome. All right, bye-bye. Mr. Deontay Winston, I'm sorry. You ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Deontay Winston. Ticket number P1085995, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Sir, will you tell the judge your name?
Deontay Winston.
Your Honor, he'd like to accept the offer from the city and plead to improper plates.
Is that right, Mr. Winston?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Winston, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. I didn't hear you the first time, sorry. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Winston?
Yes.
I know, Mr. Winston, it's a little, I ask all these questions, you like, what am I doing? Don't worry. This is standard, okay? All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 21st of 2020. Were you at that time driving a 2018 Dodge vehicle in the area of Schaefer and Grove Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on it because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wozniak?
Yes, Judge, I am. Thank you.
Court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plate, which is 0 points and non-obstructable to the Secretary of State's office. Okay, so it's a good thing, Mr. Winston, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Winston, are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 to 60 days?
60.
Okay, 60 days is gonna be enough time?
Yep. More than enough.
Okay, all right, I wanna make sure. So I'm gonna have it due no later than December the 20th of 2021, okay? So that should give you plenty of time to pay it, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you. All right, have a good day.
Okay.
Ms. Jasmine Whitaker?
Yes.
All right, this is the matter of the people versus Jasmine Whitaker. This is U-Ticket 568-617-20. One count of observed fighting with other females at location. Appearances for the record, please.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Ms. Whitaker, please tell the judge your full name.
Jasmine Whitaker.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Whitaker would like the matter set down for a bench trial. She'll waive jury.
The real charge is disorderly conduct. I apologize on the ticket. It says that it was disorderly conduct. All right. Ms. Whitaker, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for? No, it's not a plea.
No.
He is informing me that you would like to do a bench trial. That is a trial where I would be the finder and the trier of facts based on the information that I hear. I would apply the law and see if it proves it beyond a reasonable doubt. That's how you want to proceed, Ms. Whitaker?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on January the 24th, 2022 at 9 a.m. And I'm going to set your bond at $0 per person, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be a Zoom trial, so just like you signed in today, Ms. Whitaker signed back in that same way with the same exact number, okay? And we'll take care of it on that day.
Okay.
All right, you have any questions, ma'am?
No, thank you.
All right, you're all set. Thank you so much for signing on today, okay? We'll see you back on the 24th. I thought you write it down, so I know you'll be here.
Have a nice day.
So, thank you. Mr. Travis Winston? No, it's Watson. Travis Watson?
Yes.
I just want to make sure you can hear me. You ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of the people versus Travis Watson. This is U ticket 512-687-19. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Watson, will you tell the judge your name again, please?
Travis Watson.
Thank you. Your Honor, this matter is up for review, and my discussion with Mr. Watson indicates he has bond posted recently sufficient to cover fines, costs, and fees. He did do his STD testing at Detroit Receiving Hospital. They gave him the results within 15 minutes of the test. So he did pick up the results. He completed the community service at 2 different locations. He's under the impression that the locations directly sent confirmation to the probation department. Obviously, I don't know if they have actually done that. The one thing outstanding still is the John School. Apparently, he attempted to do that and was closed out, and then couldn't get back in on another scheduled date. Then he lost the number and couldn't keep calling. So he'd simply like this extended so he can complete that class and get the proof to probation about the community service.
Absolutely. How much time do you need, Mr. Watson?
How much time do I need to do what?
To do the class.
To complete the class and get all the information over to probation services so that they can make sure they forward it to us.
Okay, I can go back up to the church and the vet clinic and ask them could they send the paperwork over. This was back in 2019, I think, and I can go take the John class whenever, as long as I can get the phone number. I'll go take it.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a phone number so that they can give you the information on how you can take the class. Ready to get the phone number?
Yes.
313-965-3414.
Okay.
Okay? And I need you to call them when we get off. I'm going to give you think 2 months will be enough time, or do you want 3 months to get everything completed?
Shit, 3 months too long. I can get it taken care of within the 2 months.
Sir, you in court, live court. You can't cuss.
No, I said I don't think I cuss. I said I apologize if I cuss, ma'am. I'm sorry. No, I say in 2 months I have it done before 2 months.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a review date of December the 20th. As long as you have everything completed, all the costs and fines, we'll close it out under disorderly conduct, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the next date is going to be December the 20th, and I'm going to give a time of 8:35 a.m. Have everything completed, and we'll just close it out, okay? You won't have to wait long.
Yes,
Okay?
Yes.
Call probation services today, though, and tell them that you need to take the awareness class, the prostitution awareness course, okay? And then they will be able.
The awareness class?
You said what?
What's the name of what you say? The awareness class?
It's a prostitution awareness class. Y'all calling it something else, but it's the class that y'all both got to take, okay? But tell them you need to take that class all online, I believe, right now. And you should be able to get that done in 2 months for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You still have to provide the testing, like we don't have to have the results, but you need to provide probation services with that testing too, so we can know that you went into it. So if you still have that receipt, we just have to be able to see that you went into the test, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do that for me and we'll see you back December 20th, hopefully to close the matter out, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem, have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right.
Okay, yes.
All right, I have the prosecutor in here, so I'm gonna ask him about Mr. Wright real quick, hold on. Mr. Wozniak,
Yes, Your Honor. Oop.
Mr. Wright, you actually saw his insurance?
Yes, Judge. I saw both the insurance and the registration.
All right, I'm gonna call this matter then. This is the matter of the people versus Santonio, right? Ticket number P10588587. One count no insurance misdemeanor, one count fraudulent false insurance information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Mr. Wright, will you tell the judge your full name, please?
You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Yep.
Santino, right?
Your Honor, in our discussion, Mr. Wright was able to present to me valid insurance and registration for the vehicle involved on these tickets.
All right, continue on.
So I was going to see if the city would consider dismissing based on valid documentation.
And at this time, I have had the opportunity of talking with the city attorney, because you have seen it, and he held it up. I believe you as an officer of the court to be truthful. They are going to dismiss it at this time without prejudice. Your client was online, and he seems to be having some technical difficulty issues, so when he signs back on, we will inform him of that at this point in time. There's nothing
Thank
further
you,
that
Judge.
this hearing. You're welcome. Now we can get you to somebody.
Alrighty, Mr. Wozniak, I have two offers ready for you.
The only one I had waiting was Carlos Williams, I thought.
No, it's other people checked in.
Oh, dear.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5.
It's Tamaya Young,
Yep, got her.
John, one of them was just probably an amendment. I forgot. Oh, Carlos Williams, I think.
Carlos.
Yeah, the big file is an
Oh, yeah.
offer in there, but I thought maybe you wanted to make sure that that was okay because that was done in September.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like someone else wrote it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so for Tamaya Young, excuse me, ticket that she's pleading to is the accident improper turn. That's being amended to limited access 1 to 5 over. All else will be dismissed. Cortez Washington. He
Which-
has a
Which Washington is it, please?
Cortez
Okay, thanks.
ticket ending in 580, count 1 and 2. They're both being amended to improper plates. And everything else will be dismissed. Okay, Devontae Woods,
Yes,
ticket ending in 864, count 2 and 3. Both of those counts are being amended to blockading. All else will be dismissed. Jonathan Welch is going to be amended to improper plates. Okay, I got to get an offer on Terrence Webb from the state. Or how did you want me to do that, Judge? Because you made an offer. He is has 1 improper place and everything is being dismissed, and then those 2. 301 and drive-by license not valid. Going to improper place and he's dismissing everything. No, that's it. Oh, wait, yeah, that's it. Okay, so for Terrence Webb, he's gonna plead to ticket ending in 101, count 2. No insurance is gonna be amended to improper plates. All else is being dismissed. Okay,
So far, so good.
all right, so let me start putting you in with these people. Let's go, there you go.
Thanks.
No problem.
Mr. Welch is not responding to me.
Oh, wonderful.
I mean, he's there. He's not muted. I'm not muted, but he's not answering me.
Okay, I'll put you in with Terrence Webb. We'll try him in a bit.
Okay, thanks. Well, that one worked at least.
Okay. All right. Next is Devontae Woods. And there you go.
Okay, Mr. Webb is finished.
Okay, so now Cortez Washington.
Yes. Oh, yes, okay.
My phone had died.
I figured as much. We already disposed of your matter, okay?
Okay. Oh, okay. So am I able to go get a clearance to be able to get my license back, or from?
Yeah, we have a reinstatement fee to pay to the Secretary of State's office. And you'll have to pay those. I can't do anything about that, but we just miss your matters without prejudice, okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's how the people are ready to go when he comes out. Oh, except for that one he said wasn't in there. That didn't respond to him was, Jonathan Wells. That was the only one who didn't, respond. So, you gotta wait. Thank you. What about this one, Judge? It's two state tickets issued in two different times. You let me know what you want to do with that. Sorry, I've been throwing the remote at myself. So you want to continue or you want to start? I got free ready for me to tell him the offer. Okay. Okay, Mr. Wozniak, I have some more offers. I have Kia Williams.
Oh, hold on, Kia Williams. Yep,
All right, hers is being amended to improper plates.
okay.
Jamaica Walton, I think she's scheduled for this afternoon.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, I do see her in the afternoon, yep.
Yeah. Her ticket ended in 904 is going to be amended to improper plates, and her U ticket is going to be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay. Kim Wright.
Right. Oh, wait, I'm looking at.
She's in the morning.
Yep. Yeah, I do see.
Okay. So the ticket ending in 493 count, oh, no, I'm reading that wrong. Hold on. Yeah, 4932 is gonna be amended to improper plates. And all else is being dismissed.
Okay. Oh, that's very favorable. Thank you.
Yes. So let me put you in with her. She was here next. So, two. Okay. Okay, ready for Kia Williams.
Thank you. Okay.
It's got like 21 counts.
Please see back. Oh boy.
Yeah, that's when you know it's bad.
Yeah.
You got it right on the back.
Did you see his father? Yeah, he at least came. Okay, so the last one for now.
For now.
Yeah, is
How optimistic of you.
I know, Jamaica Walton. And then we can get started on those people. Still going another for second batch.
Okay.
Right, okay.
There we go.
All right.
I am going to make a small request. If we could do Jamaica Walton next. She is currently at the doctor's office waiting to be examined with her daughter.
Okay.
Thank you.
I need to be seen by a doctor. I hurt my toe at work. Watson.
Have you done, are you finished checking in, Ms. Walton? If you're talking to me, I can't hear you because I had to put you on mute because you were talking to Emory Court. So if you need a moment, I can give you a moment.
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right. These are the matters of the people versus Jamaica Walton. This is ticket number P191904. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number U336-55916. One count of remaining in park after dark or after closing, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Walton, please tell the judge your name.
Jamaica Brianna Walton.
Your Honor, she'd like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right, Ms. Walton?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
I want to take you back to the date of April the 26th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a 2007 Chevy vehicle in the area of Van
Yes.
Dyke Street?
Yes, ma'am.
While you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you did not have a valid license at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wozniak?
Yes, Judge, I'm satisfied.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count being dismissed?
We stipulate.
So at this time, the court is going to enter the plea to the amended charge of improper plate and dismiss count, the U ticket in its entirety, 336-559-16. Currently working,
Yes.
testifying today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Is that gonna be enough time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until November the 15th, 2021 to have that paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Mr. Webb, you're gonna be next. These are the matters of the people versus Terrence Webb. This is ticket number P11431101. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 708591. One count no operator's license on person. One count no insurance. Also calling ticket number X3558427. One count no operator's license, multiple license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Daniel Wozniak with the defendant. Please tell the judge your name, sir.
Terrence Webb.
Your Honor, he would like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with the plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 7th of 2020. Were you driving at that time a 2004 Honda vehicle in the area of Auto Drive and Hayden Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates on it because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wozniak?
I didn't hear you.
No, I was asking the attorney for a second. And is there stipulation for probable cause on the council being dismissed?
Yes, Judge, we stipulate.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 2 of ticket number P11431101 and dismiss the remaining tickets in this particular matter. Are you currently employed, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set the fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, I'm going to give you until November the 15th, 2021 to have that paid, okay?
Yes.
All right, hold on one second, I just want to make sure. How to, it's a one, right, so it's not in the computer system. I want to make sure that the other account isn't in the computer system. Pretty sure it's not.
That's correct.
Okay, all right. Then you're all set. This concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Kia Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna call your case next.
Okay.
This is the matter of the people versus Kia Williams. This is case number SP 10652321. One count driving while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Please tell the judge your name.
Kia Williams.
Your Honor, she'd like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
It is.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
I do. Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with the plea today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of February the 11th of 2020. Were you driving in the area of Davidson and Conant Streets in the city of Detroit, a Toyota 2005 vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because your license was suspended at the time?
I did.
Satisfied, Attorney Wozniak?
Yes, Judge, I'm satisfied.
Court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates at this point in time. Ms. Williams, are you currently employed?
I am. Yes.
I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days. May I ask a follow-up question as well, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
Am I able to make this payment online? I currently don't live in the state anymore.
Yes, you can make it online. 36districtcourt.org.
Gotcha. Thank you.
But don't try and pay it until tomorrow because it won't be in the computer system, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I'm going to assess that fine. I'm going to give you, you said 30 days will be enough?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you to 11/15. That's November the 15th, 2021 to have this paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, good luck to you and good luck on
Thank
your
you so
marriage.
much. Thank you. Have a good one.
You're like, that's my maiden name.
Listen, I was like, hold on, y'all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Have a good one. You too.
All right. All right. Bye-bye. Mr. Devontae Woods?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to show your camera?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay, Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods, can you hear me? You froze. Mr. Woods.
Can you hear me?
Okay, you gotta stop
Yes,
moving
can
because
you
you're
hear me?
freezing up. You gotta move, yeah, move back there, yes. Okay, here we go. You ready? These are the matters of the people versus Devontae Woods. This is ticket number P11311864. One count, no valid registration certificate. One count, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. One count, defective windshield. Also called in ticket number P11311863. One count, driver's license never required. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearance.
I'm sorry, Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Sir, will you tell the judge your name?
Mr. Washington, we can see everything that you're doing, just so you know.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Okay, sit still, please. I know it's nervous. I know it's nerve-wracking being in court. I do. Just chill out for me, okay? You're doing a lot of movement and a lot of stuff, and we can see it all, okay? All right, thank you. All right. One count, I'm gonna recall ticket number P11318630. One count, driver's license never required. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Sir, Mr. Woods, will you tell the judge your full name, please?
Devontae Woods.
Your Honor, he'd like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he told you today that the city was offering you to plead to 2 civil infractions. That means I will read from the tickets to establish a factual basis and then impose a fine that is mandatory according to the law. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to be reading from ticket number P11318664, that on the date of November the 3rd, 2020, in the area of John R. and West Greendale Streets in the city of Detroit, the defendant Devontae Woods was driving a 2010 Ford vehicle and did block traffic with his speed and with not being able to see clearly out of a defective windshield. Satisfied, Mr. Wozniak?
Yes, Judge, I'm satisfied.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the counts being dismissed?
We do stipulate, yes.
So at this time, the court is going to accept the pleas to the amended charge of blockading for count 2 and 3 on ticket P11318664, dismiss count 1, as well as dismiss ticket P11318663 in its entirety. Sir, there is a mandatory fine for blockading. It's $175 per ticket. So that's $350. And you have to have that paid in 14 days or else they will assess fines and fees on it, Mr. Woods. I don't have any flexibility with the cost and fines on civil infractions, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Are you gonna be able to pay that?
Yes.
Okay, so you can pay it online or you can come down to 36th District Court in order to be able to pay that. It's $175 per ticket during 14 days. So that's November the 1st. Okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Washington. You ready?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the matter of the people versus Cortez Washington. This is ticket number 440580. One count, no operator's license on person. One count, no insurance. Also calling ticket number P1072065. One count fails to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Please tell the judge your name, Mr. Washington.
Cortez Deontay Washington.
Your Honor, he'd like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right, Mr. Washington?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Washington, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of December the 10th of 2020. Were you at that time driving a Were you driving in the area of West McNichols and Ferguson Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and while you were driving that vehicle in Detroit, did you not have proper plates on it because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Oh, I know what case. I know what this was. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I did have proper plates on that vehicle.
Did you not
Mr.
have
Ferguson.
Washington, were those plates properly insured?
Yes, they were. Was it on the Grand Cherokee vehicle? Do it say that, Your Honor?
I have no clue what type of vehicle, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know. So you have a couple of options here. You can ask for a bench trial where I would hear it. We would have the officers come in and you can dispute these facts. If you have insurance and you can show it to us today, we can use that. Those are your options.
Well, I'll just take the guilty plea. I'll just pay the ticket. I don't have time to be I have a lot going on right now.
If you say that's not assuring for me as a judge. I can't take something just because you're trying to get it over with. I have to take it
I know, but I have to get somebody recently stole that vehicle. So I'm dealing with a lot with the insurance company on getting the vehicle paid off. But I remember the situation and I did have valid insurance and valid tax on the vehicle.
All right, so you want to set this for a bench trial then and we can try and see if we can resolve it, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, we can do that. I'm gonna set it for a bench trial.
On that day. Unless you want to do it on a different day of the week. I don't know. Let's try Tuesday.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes,
What was the date on the incident? December?
December the 10th of 2020.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do this November the 16th, okay?
Okay, let me write it down. November 16th.
Zoom back in the same reason then today, November 16th.
9 a.m.
Okay, if you have your documents, bring them that day, okay?
Okay, I sure will.
Get Zoom, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Washington.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
Okay. I tried to call, I know you spoke to some other members too, but they didn't come out the room. I tried to get them to come out. They won't. So it's only a couple of more people to talk to. And so we'll have you talk to those people when I close down the rooms altogether.
Okay, Mr. Wozak, I have an offer for Carlos Williams.
Yes, what would that be?
He has a lot of tickets, so I'm gonna give you the one that the plea is for, and everything else is gonna be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
So the plea is ticket number 18504-426. It's gonna be failure to display along with 18508-274 and 16247-902, count 1. All of those will be failed to display.
And everything else is dismissed?
Now, one more, 16247-902, count 2. That's improper place. Now, everything else after that will be dismissed.
All right, good. Okay.
Quentin Williams, he has a lot of tickets as well.
Oh, goodness, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the one for the plea and everything else will be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right. So for failure to display, it's SP 112-98021,
Okay,
then 18437-929, count one.
yes,
I have two for improper plates. SP 391-855, count three.
okay,
And then the other ticket is 18437-929, count two. Those are being amended to improper plates. All else are being dismissed.
oh, that's good, I can go in with both of those then.
Okie dokie. Let me put it in with,
Before I go, we
yeah.
would be ready on Kim Wright if we want to do that before I leave.
Well, she didn't come out the room. That's what the judge was saying. She didn't come out the room, and neither, yeah. And then Jonathan Welch, you said he wasn't in there or something.
Oh, yeah, he didn't respond to me,
And
right.
Tamaya Young, she didn't come out as well. So the judge said she'll just close the rooms down when you're done talking to these people, and then they should be able to come out.
Okay, that sounds good, thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. Oh, that's still that guy. I don't know if he'll be able to go back in there, but these are the two big ones. Williams, Carlos, and Quentin. Okay, yeah, we can. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you. Quentin Williams is done, I could go in with Carlos.
Tamaya, Walton, Watson, somebody, I can't think of her last name now. Young, ooh, that was way off. Oh, her P number. Oh, see if I can find it.
173.
7,
73.
not you, Judge, we looking for somebody else. Thank you. You found it? Okay, you welcome. Bye-bye. No, she was looking for another judge. No, I know yours. Thank you, though.
Thank you, Judge. Carlos Williams wants to set for trial.
Can we put you back or try again with Jonathan Welch?
Sure,
Okay,
I'll go back in.
thank you. No, where did that person go? She was just right there. Look at. Wow, she disappeared. You want to try? Okay, he got. You want to try? I have a 9-year date. Think about this stuff. See how further out. Okay. Let me see. That's gonna be a minute discussion with different officers. What date did I have you on there for? January? For January 24th? Okay. I can do January 31st. Okay. You don't have any other trial schedule. You got a show cause and arraignment, but no trial. Okay. So I just have to, going forward, have the clerk don't schedule, trials because he got a lot.
I was able to contact with Mr. Welch. He has valid insurance.
Oh, all right. Okay. He only had that one charge.
Yep, it's Progressive Insurance, Mercury Mountaineer, expiring December 2021.
Yes, ma'am. That's everybody. I just don't know what happened to that one lady from my end. Is she?
Ms. Young,
Yes, I'm sorry, I lost connection.
it's okay. The defense attorney the attorney spoke to you already, right?
Yes, he did.
Okay.
He did. He talked to her a while ago.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Wright, I'm gonna call you first, okay?
Okay.
These are the matters of the people versus Kim Wright. This is ticket number 15436493, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license, not on purpose, person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 10-428-11541. One count drove license while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number 10-466-0361. One count failed to display valid operator's license, and ticket number 0956 609-821. One count failed to display valid operator's license, not on purpose. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Ms. Wright, please tell the judge your name.
My name is Kim Wright.
Your Honor, she'd like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right, Ms. Wright?
Yes,
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes.
And you can put your hand down, man.
Okay.
Attorney Wozniak, just so you know, there were 2 tickets from the state. The ticket 0956098821, as well as ticket number 10 for 660361. And in accordance with this particular plea, the court is going to dismiss those matters. One of them is a 09 ticket and the other one is a 2010 ticket, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Ms. Wright, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
yes.
All right, Ms. Wright, I want to take you back to the date of June the 11th of 2015. At that time, were you driving a 2010 Dodge vehicle in the area of Arcadia and Patton Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
yes,
Satisfied, Attorney Wozniak?
Yes, Judge, I am satisfied and would stipulate to probable cause for all other matters.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket number 1543649-3, count 2, and dismiss the remaining counts on the record today. Ms. Wright, are you currently working?
yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set the fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I could pay that Thursday.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days though, just in case, okay? So that way you can have it paid by then. So I'm gonna give you until November the 15th of 2021 to have that $200 paid, okay, ma'am?
Okay, can I ask you a question?
You can.
When I pay that, will I be able to set an appointment up where I can get my license?
So you may have some things called Secretary of State fees that you need to pay, reinstatement fees.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to pay them as well. Those are usually $45. I don't like to say how many you have because I'd have
She
to.
told me 50. She told me
Yeah.
50.
Okay, so you have to pay those as well. When you pay those off, they'll send clearance to the Secretary of State's office on your behalf, and then you'll be able to set up that appointment, okay?
Okay, can I do this? I can pay this now. I'm trying to get this over with where I can get my license.
I know, give it at least until tomorrow, okay? You can go on 36districtcourt.org tomorrow, but you need to give us a moment so we can upload this information into the computer system. So give us at least until tomorrow. Go on, find your name, pay all the costs and fees, and then they'll send it over to the Secretary of State's office, give you clearance to now apply for whatever you need to apply for, okay?
Okay, you say $200, right?
$200 plus whatever Secretary of State fees are out there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're so welcome, okay? Good luck, okay?
Okay, I'm happy now.
I know.
Thank you.
I understand. You don't know how much is gonna be charged, but our goal is to get you back driving again, so we don't wanna.
Okay, thank you, Miss Taylor.
Have a great day, okay?
I'm about to go to work.
All right. Take
Okay,
care.
bye-bye.
Mr. Welch?
Yes, I'm here, Judge. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Jonathan Welch. This is ticket number P11184442. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please tell the judge your name.
Uh-oh, Mr. Wozniak, we missed all of that for some reason.
Oh, this is Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Welch, please tell the judge your name.
Jonathan Welch.
Your Honor, he'd like to have his matter set down for trial. This is a case of identity theft.
Oh, Mr. Welch, is that correct? No, this is the one where we're dismissing because he showed his insurance.
Oh,
Is that
I'm
right?
sorry, Judge. Let me check my, okay. I got you. Yes, then we'll ask for the dismissal and stip to probable cause.
All right, at this time, the court is going to grant that. Mr. Welch, make sure you stay on top of your insurance, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. This case is dismissed without prejudice. All right, have a
All
great
right.
day.
Thank you. Take care.
You too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. All right. Tamaya Young.
Yes, I'm sorry. I had to unmute.
It's okay. That's how you're supposed to be in court. So I appreciate it. I'm going to call your matter right now. Okay.
Okay.
All right. This is the matter of People versus Tamaya Young. This is case number or ticket number P116887. One count accident, improper turn. One count no registration or unsigned registration. Also calling ticket number P11688878. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wasak with the defendant. Miss Young, please tell the judge your name.
Tamaya Young.
Your Honor, she would like to accept the offer from the city.
Is that right, Miss Young?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I need you to stop moving for a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, no problem. It's okay. I know. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understand all of that. Did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
And this is a responsible plea. That means that I'm going to read off the ticket to establish a factual basis, okay?
Okay.
So on the date of February the 24th of 2021, in the area of eastbound Warren, Greenview Street to the city of Detroit, Ms. Young was driving a 2017 vehicle in that area and did exceed the speed limit going 60 and 55 mile per hour zone. Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, Judge, we stipulate to that for factual basis.
Okay, is there a stipulation of probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
We stipulate, Judge.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access 60 and 55 mile per hour zone, and dismiss the remaining count on that ticket, as well as the other ticket called on this record today. I'm going to assess the fine today in the amount of $125. Now, Ms. Young, this is a civil infraction fine, so you only have 14 days to pay this before you incur any fees, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to have this paid in total by November the 1st, so you don't get any fees tacked on to this, okay? $125.
Okay.
All right. And if there's nothing, that concludes this hearing. Thank you so much for your patience today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. All right.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Motherfucker.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no. All right, Mr. Williams, I do you. Hopefully, Mr. Carlos will get the signs back in. I'm going to do you, Mr. Quentin Williams. Accidentally click the other person off, so hopefully Mr. Wozniak, he signs back on.
How you doing, Judge?
I'm finding yourself. Okay.
I'm all right.
These are the matters of people versus Quentin Williams. Ticket number 437929. One count drove by license suspended, one count unsure motor vehicle. Case number SP 112980211, one count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number P763863, one count, drove while license suspended. Ticket number 126162861, one count, failed to display valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number P243916, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 126162861, one count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 13483274, one count, no valid operator's license. Ticket number U5458469, one count, narcotics and drug-related violation. U ticket 556348009, one count, entering without owner's permission. Ticket number U75519411, one count, entering without owner's permission. Ticket number U67849210, one count, entering without owner's permission. Ticket number 126051010, one count, no operator's license on person, one count, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket number U51472809, one count, operating a place of illegal occupation where drugs are kept, sold, or stored. U ticket 151572709, one count, entering without the owner's permission. U ticket 529784009, one count, entering without the owner's permission. Ticket number U67849210, one count, entering without the owner's permission. I already called that ticket. Sorry, I'm lining up the tickets with the ones to see. Also calling ticket number P391855, one count, leave scene of accident causing property damage, one count, drove while license not valid or improper license, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number that's all one ticket. We're calling ticket case number 134832741, one count of drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Williams, please give the judge your name.
Quentin Williams.
Your Honor, my client wants to accept the offer. It's my understanding He pleaded guilty to 2 tickets amended to fail to display and 2 tickets amended to improper plates.
All right. And you want to take advantage of that offer today, sir?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. I had some duplicates, Mr. Williams. I was trying to make sure I didn't call in case. Okay, all right. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future? You understand that?
Yes.
And understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, but I'd rather pay the fine than do the community service.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a fine, don't worry. I'll give you a fine today, sir. Okay, I'm just finding all the tickets that you're pleading to. And I know you would rather have a fine. All right, here we go. All right. I want to take your attention back to the date, sir, of October the 28th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a 2005 Chevy vehicle in the area of Conant Street and Rexdale Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license at that time to the police officer?
Yes.
Then on the date of February the 6th of 2018, were you at that time driving a 2006 Buick vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and Packard Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the police officer?
Yes.
And also, did that car not have any plates? No, did you not have any car insurance on that car? So it had improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
And then finally, on the date of April the 17th of 2015, were you driving at that time a 2006 Buick vehicle in the area of 7 Mile and Shields Road in the city of Detroit? Were you driving a vehicle there?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates on it because you still didn't have car insurance on the car at that time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wozniak?
I'm satisfied on all of those counts, Judge, and will stipulate to probable cause for the others.
All right, at this time, the court is going to accept the plea of the amended charge of, just so I can make sure the record is clear, 437-929, count 1 being amended to fail to display, count 2 being amended to improper plates. On ticket number SP 112-98021, no operator's license being amended to fail to display. And on ticket number P391855, count number 3 being amended from no insurance to improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed without prejudice, okay, or probable cause.
Yes, we stipulate, Judge.
Thank you. I'm going to enter a fine today. Of $200 per ticket, Mr. Williams.
Yes.
$800 total, okay?
How much again?
$800 total, it's $200 per ticket,
Okay.
okay? How long is it gonna take you to pay that?
Well, I'm on a fixed income, so I had to do it monthly. So I was at least had to say 4 months for each ticket. I can pay $200 a month.
Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm going to give you till February 14th of 2022 to have these paid, okay?
Okay.
Did I give you enough time, sir?
I gave it plenty enough time.
Okay, February 14th, 2022, you need to pay. It is gonna be $200 per ticket.
So February 2022. What date?
February 14th of 2022, you need to have all these tickets paid, okay?
Okay, February 14th.
The remaining
Okay, I got it
tickets,
wrote down.
you have it written down?
Yes.
All right. So if there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
These tickets are baby.
Mr. Carlos Williams?
I'm here.
Okay, sorry about that. I think I might have accidentally disconnected. You ready? Yeah. These are the matters of the people versus. No, don't unmute Mr. David, whoever you are. These are the matters of the people versus Carlos Williams Jr. This is ticket number 508274. One count, no valid operator's license on person. Ticket number 504426. One count, no valid operator's license on person. Ticket number 247902. One count, no operator's license on person. One count, no insurance. Ticket number P655755. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. One count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 222019. One count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 247057. One count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 298631. One count, drove while license not valid. One count, unregistered motor vehicle. One count, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket number 211020. One count, no operator's license on person. One count, no insurance. Z ticket 802861. One count of violation of city controlled substance code. Ticket number X2499118. One count, no operator's license, multiple license on person. No operator's license on person. One count, registered plate expired over 3 days. Ticket number P1010780. One count, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket numbers P655754. One count, expired plates. One count, defective bumper fender or windshield. I don't know if this civil infraction is on here as well, but it's one count, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Williams, please tell the judge your name.
Carlos Williams.
Your Honor, I had discussions with Mr. Williams, and as we reviewed the tickets, he indicated that these were not his tickets. He'd like these matters set for trial. He will report his identity theft problem to the police and the Secretary of State prior to the trial date.
Okay. Is that right?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
He's informing me that you would like to have a trial in this matter. Is that a
Yes.
bench trial? Or trial?
Bench trial.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of January the 31st of 2022, I apologize. 2022 at 9 a.m. Okay,
January 1st.
31st, January 31st at 9 a.m. That should give you plenty of time to do what you need to do at that point in time, okay? Set your bond at $0 personal on each one of these matters.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Williams, be sure you get that paperwork as soon as possible so that this doesn't continue to happen.
Thank you, sir.
What's your date of birth, sir?
8/31/87.
Okay, they got a lot of your information. That's the case. So make sure you file that, okay?
Yes.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay.
David,
Yes.
who are you, sir?
I had court today, and I actually just got off the phone with you guys' courthouse. I had a court today due to driving without valid driver's license. It was today. I just didn't remember the time, but she said it was at 8 this morning.
It was. So what we're going to do is we'll arrange you right now, and I'll give you another date to come back, okay?
Okay.
What's your last name?
Williams.
All right. What happened today? Why didn't you sign in on time, sir?
I didn't remember the time. I knew it was today, but I couldn't remember the time.
If the prosecutor was in here, I would have him do it, but you have more than one count. So I'm gonna give you another date to come back, okay?
Okay.
Hold on a second.
That's a lot better.
Okay. What does your availability look like on Wednesday, Mr. Williams? Are you able to sign back in at the right time on Wednesday?
Yes, would that be the same time as it was today?
Yes, 8:35, okay?
Okay, not a problem.
All right. So, I won't go on the record for this one. I just gotta, Mr. Williams, come back on Wednesday, 8:35, and we'll handle your matters then, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for signing in, because that makes it a
Not a
lot
problem.
easier being on an earlier date. Remember your time though, because if you don't sign in on time, we'll put you at the back of the list, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am, I got you.
All right. Have a good day, okay?
You
See you
too.
Wednesday. All right.
Okay, see you Wednesday.